Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you have requested a flip through or even just an insight into what the journals look like. So I'm going to open this up here and show you. And then I'll also show you the new layout. This is for all the fields. So we haven't seen this type of layout yet. It is vertical, but I will go into more detail into that. Then I will go into the new layout for the fitness and the layout for goals. And I'm also just going to briefly explain here, these three, some people have mentioned that you haven't been able to see these on the Happy Planner website. That is because they are actually being sold at Walmart. And whenever things are being sold at Walmart, there's something about the pricing that's going on in the back end where Happy Planner can't post it on their website. So these are going to be found at Walmart only. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start flipping through these for you. So this is the 4-pack of journals that I received. I'm just going to actually line it up next to a mini Happy Planner and show you the size comparison. So this is a mini Happy Planner and you can see that it is larger, so it is taller and wider. So there's obviously going to be more writing room in here because look at just the size of the page of the mini Happy Planner compared to the bound journals. So there are 4 that come in this pack and I love these florals. They're so pretty. So this first one says Bloom with Grace, and again that's the binding on the side there, and inside it's dot lined paper. So anybody who is a bullet journaler, this is for you, or if you just want to use this as like a brain dump or just as your daily journal, it's a great way to do that. This one says Grow to Your Full Potential, and on the inside this one's dot grid. Ooh, again for bullet journals, really good. I love the hand, like the looks like acrylic paint floral. This one is Find the Beauty in Every Day, and this one is also dot grid, but this time it's the light blue. And then lastly, this one says Flowers Are Always a Good Idea. I agree. And inside, this one is blank. So you get the 4 different journals. 2 are dot grid, one is light blue, and one is pink. You get a blank journal, and then you get a dotted lined paper. So I like these because depending on what style you are, you can use these for different things. If you want to use this as a sketchbook, for journaling, or for taking down notes. This is a good little pack for you, and this is available, I believe, at Walmart. Next is the new fitness journal. So this is 80 sheets and it's a guided happy journal. So it's definitely different from the fitness planner because again, this is not dated. So I'll just show you in here what this looks like. Be the best version of you. So it looks like there's 4 dividers. And then this looks like for the week, this week's goals, this week's commitment checklist. So you can write down your goals for the week, weekly prep list. List 2 fitness habits you want to start. How will your fitness improve with these new habits? And what health and fitness activities can you make more time for that will help you reach your goals? And then I feel like this is a good blank page to kind of list anything else that you want to set as a goal for this week. You can actually use this page for anything. So then this is what the daily looks like. Now, you don't have, what I like about this being undated is that you don't have to work out every day. You don't have to use this every day if you don't want to. But this is great because you've got what is your goal for the day, today's workout, so you can write down your activity, distance, number of sets. I almost feel like though having this many spaces for me would be intimidating because I would feel like I'd have to fill all of that to feel productive in the workout. Or I don't know if you guys agree, but that's just me. But if you're the type of person who does a lot of different workouts in a small span of time, this would work for you. But for me personally, the way that I do workouts, I would probably fill in 1 or 2, 3 at most in a day, and then I would feel like I wasn't excelling. So I don't know if this layout would necessarily work for me. And then it asks, how did you feel after working out? How many steps, water tracker, hours of sleep. And this is all stuff I actually track already in my wellness planner, but I like that they include this. And then in the corner here, they've got remember to stay hydrated. And then it asks, how long did you work out today? Any notes on your workout? And then it asks you for your daily reflection. What obstacles did you face today? And list ways you can work through them to help achieve your goals. I'm going to take you through actually the whole week because I think they're all slightly different. Again, this part is exactly the same, But here it says, fall in love with taking care of your body. Remind yourself why you are on this journey. List ways you could modify your daily routine to help improve your health. And then this one, again, this middle section, I believe is the one that is consistent throughout. But then you've got the quotes on the side that says, you've got this. And the daily reflection is also where it is different. So in what area do you feel you made your biggest improvement today? What made you proud of yourself today? And this one is list today's victories and how you inspired yourself today and work on you for you. I like the prompts for this guided journal because a lot of us don't feel like we can, or I personally don't really journal after a workout, but if you are at the beginning of your fitness journey, or actually wherever you are in your fitness journey, this is a great way to prompt you to really look at the way your body feels after a workout. And then this one, make yourself a priority. Today I struggled with, and this is what I just talked about. So you're really understanding your body, and it's prompting you to try and understand how you feel physically and mentally and how that all works together. And then list possible solutions for those struggles. I like that it sounds like it's being negative here, but then it prompts you to think of solutions for those struggles. And then here, what was the highlight of your efforts today? What can you do tomorrow to bring you closer to your goals? You can, end of story. I love that. And then for the last day, so there's 7 days, so there's 7 different days. Don't stop until you're proud. Do you feel you are making progress towards your goals? Why, how? And list a few ways you are proud of yourself today. So then you've got the dot grid here at the end where you can kind of do a summary of how your week went. So really you can use this in so many different ways, but go to the tab here. The greatest wealth is health. And again, the pages are the same inside. I'm working on myself, by myself, for myself. Never forget why you started. So there are 80 pages in here. So not necessarily enough for a full year. So if you wanted to keep using this, you would probably have to buy an extension pack for it. But I think if you were solely focusing on your fitness journey, then this is a great one for you. The next one is Heart and Soul. So this one is a goals guided happy journal. And I love the gold color in here. Just open that up, and one of the things that I forgot to do before I started the video. So here, I love the gold foil in it already, and just the black discs. I always love the black discs. They are the plastic discs. They are not the deluxe. Cannot speak anymore. So go out and paint the stars. And then the first page is the overall weekly goals. So this week's big goals, write a positive quote to follow this week, important due dates this week. So it's really getting a timeline which will help hold you accountable. List 3 things that can help you achieve your goals. List 3 role models that inspire you, and write about some milestones from this week. What I like about the goals one already is that it is very general, that you can relate this to any type of goal that you've set for yourself, whether it be a business goal, whether it be a health goal, whether it be a recovery goal. You can use this for almost any type of goal. So I'll go through each of the pages here. So you've got the date, what is your main goal for today, today's task, write 3 positive daily reminders to yourself, 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today, what is 1 lesson you learned today, and list 3 wins from today. And then you've got the quote up here, open mind, big dreams, a wild heart. So this is the same. What is your main goal for today? Today's tasks. This one is a bit of a different prompt, and so is this one. So this one is write an encouraging message to yourself, and then 1 thing you are grateful for, and these 2 are the same from the previous page. So I'm just going to check the next 7 days here. The colors are slightly different. The 2 prompts here at the top are the same, and then you have write a motivating message to yourself, 1 thing you are proud of accomplishing today, write 3 positive daily reminders to yourself, 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today. So really these things in the middle, the prompts in the middle, are what differs from every page, along with the colors. Ooh, I like the color of that one. And then this one, write an encouraging message to yourself, 1 thing you are grateful for today, write a motivating message to yourself, 1 thing you are proud of accomplishing today. So that is actually the same as this one. So it sounds like they have 3 different messages that they repeat. Write a positive daily reminder and one thing that made you feel hopeful. So there's 3 different prompts that they kind of rotate between the 7 days. And then you have the last page here, which is the dot grid. And then the next week starts. So I'll take you through the dividers. Shoot for the moon and never look back. I love the yellow on that. Shine your light into the world. And then lastly, let your dreams be your wings. So what I like about this so far is that you do have the flexibility to use it when you want it, or you can Frankenplan it and take a page actually. Take a page and put it in your planner. So you don't necessarily have to keep everything in one spot, or you can expand on this and use this and add extra pages to it should you choose to do so. I couldn't remember what they were for a sec. So you could certainly make this your own. So again, this is the Goals Guided Happy Journal. And lastly, you guys have requested to see what this one looks like because this is a new layout. This is the 12-month All the Feels Planner. So this really is related to your overall mood tracking journey and things like that. So this does go with the All the Feels sticker book that I featured in a different video. And I'm just gonna open that up here. I do like that they include the layout already in that front page, although I do miss seeing Stephanie and her family on the front there. Your biggest commitment must always be to yourself. I love that. So then a very simple purple page. I love the yellow. Love the yellow. I like this. 24 affirmations to remind yourself daily. Your road to a healthy life. So I feel like this is a bigger version of the monthly, but I feel like I'm going to see if these are the prompts that are available before every month. You know, what makes you happy? What are my yearly goals? Or maybe this is actually for the whole year. And then you've got the January page. So what are some practices that worked for me last month? Something I'm excited for this month? What's something I need more of in my life? What are my intentions this month? Something new I want to try this month. So they're really guided prompts for you guys to fill out your January currently. Everything will be okay. And then you've got, I think the rainbow goes down the whole of the inside of the planner. There, so that's what the layout looks like. You've got you've got the dot grid at the top for a daily reminder, and then your to-dos in the middle. And then down here is your mood tracker. This kind of reminds me of the Miss Maker layout, these top 2 sections, but I don't think this was part of Miss Maker. But I don't know, I like the look of it. I love the to-do list section. However, me personally, I don't know if I would just keep it for mood tracking. I could see this being great for, you know, writing a daily intention, things that you want to do to help improve your mood, and things like that. And then you on the side here, you've got this week's goals. And that's also the same. There we go. So that's for January. And then, yep, it is the same prompts. It looks like it's the same prompts every month, just a different color. February is keep growing. And I'm going to see if, yes, it is a different color. So I'm looking. That corresponds with that color. Interesting. So, okay. So the color of the currently coincides with the color on the weekly. Recipe for self-love. I love this. Let's go to April. Ooh, I kind of want to see what the color of this is going to be. Ooh, orange. If it was this color, I'd be happy, but the orange is kind of too bright for me. Rainbow. Make time to do what you love. Mistakes are part of the process. Self-talk matters. I love that. Just be you. Celebrate your small victories. That's so important. One thing at a time. Is this red? No, it's purple. Oh, yeah. November, everything will be okay. And then lastly, December, give yourself some credit for how far you've come. And then a notes page at the back. So that is the All the Feels 12-month planner. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.